Ready to feel the power, the speed, and the raw muscle of one of the most legendary bikes on the planet? Let's take a ride on the Yamaha VMax. Welcome back to Biker's Choice, the channel where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles. If you're a fan of speed, power, and cutting-edge engineering, then you're in the right place. Today we're unleashing the beast, the Yamaha VMax. Known for its unmatched performance and unforgettable design, this iconic bike has captured the hearts of riders all over the world. Whether you're a veteran rider or just beginning your journey, the VMax is a name you've probably heard of. Let's rev those engines and break down what makes the Yamaha VMax one of the most thrilling motorcycles ever built. The birth of the VMax. The Yamaha VMax made its debut in 1985, and it didn't just enter the scene, it took it by storm. Designed as a power-packed muscle bike, the VMax combined the best elements of a sport bike and a cruiser, offering riders the ultimate high-performance machine. Powered by a 1,198 cubic centimeter V4 engine, it was built to deliver raw power with an unmistakable roar. The VMax was Yamaha's bold statement that they could compete with the best, and its performance on the road quickly turned heads and earned it a cult following. It was one of the first motorcycles to truly blur the lines between the sport bike and cruiser worlds, and its aggressive, muscular appearance made it stand out in the crowded market. Right from the start, the VMax earned its reputation as a true performance machine, setting new standards for what a bike could do. Raw power in a V4 package. Let's talk about the heart of the VMax, the engine. The Yamaha VMax is powered by a 1,198 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled DOHC4 engine that generates an astonishing 145 horsepower. And for its time, that was mind-blowing. The engine's design is what set it apart from other bikes in its class, offering a balance of torque and top-end power that made it an absolute rocket on the road. But it's not just about raw horsepower. The VMax was engineered for instant acceleration. Thanks to Yamaha's engineering prowess, the VMax could go from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds. And its top speed was in the ballpark of 150 miles per hour. Whether you're blasting down a straightaway or navigating tight curves, the VMax delivers incredible performance that will make any ride unforgettable. Design, aggressive and unforgettable. From its low, aggressive stance to its unmistakable V-shaped engine, the Yamaha VMax was built to turn head. Its wide, muscular frame and bold lines scream performance. The styling was sleek yet intimidating, and everything about the VMax, from the minimalistic bodywork to the powerful stance, was designed to reflect the bike's performance capabilities. The distinctive V-shaped exhaust system, wide rear tire, and unique tail design made the VMax a visual icon in the motorcycle world. Its aggressive look was a direct reflection of its powerful engine, and it didn't just look fast, it was fast. Whether parked or in motion, the VMax demanded attention. Riding experience. Riding the Yamaha VMax is an experience unlike any other. It's not just about speed, it's about control and comfort as well. Despite its powerful engine, the VMax is surprisingly agile, handling corners and straightaways with confidence. Its low center of gravity and wide handlebars give riders excellent stability, while the suspension system keeps the ride smooth and controlled even at high speeds. But let's not forget the thrill factor. There's something about hitting the throttle and hearing that V4 engine roar to life that sends a rush of adrenaline through your veins. The VMax isn't just a motorcycle, it's a beast that wants to break free and show what it can do. From the moment you twist that throttle, you'll feel the power and precision that makes this bike legendary. The VMax legacy. The Yamaha VMax isn't just a bike, it's a living legend. Over the years, the VMax has become one of the most iconic muscle bikes in history, with riders constantly pushing its limits and taking it to new heights. Its legacy as a high-performance, no-compromise motorcycle continues to live on in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors alike. In 2009, Yamaha released a new version of the VMax, keeping the spirit of the original alive, while introducing modern updates like electronic fuel injection and more advanced technology. Though the bike was eventually discontinued in 2020, the VMax influence can still be felt in Yamaha's lineup and in the custom motorcycle world. Conclusion: the Yamaha VMax is more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of power, speed, and the unrelenting pursuit of performance. From its stunning V4 engine to its aggressive, unforgettable design, The VMax broke boundaries and set new standards for what a motorcycle could achieve. It's a bike that not only stands out on the road, but also in the hearts of riders around the world. Thanks for joining us here at Biker's Choice. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Yamaha VMax, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, keep the throttle wide open, and remember, the ride is just as important as the destination.